A bill that could impact your retirement and that has been brewing for almost a year in Washington is another step closer to becoming law. That's the subject of this week's Fastest 4 Minutes in Finance. Hello once again, I'm Scott Inman. Well, we first told you about this new legislation last May. It's being called the Securing a Strong Retirement Act, or Secure 2.0 for short. Almost a year later, the U.S. House passed the latest version of the bill this week. And the vote wasn't even close. It was 414 to 5. Of course, the bill still has to be passed by the Senate, but since it's a step closer to becoming law, we thought we would let you know how it could impact you, and it's complicated to say the least. The first Secure Act, passed in late 2019, radically changed the way inherited IRAs must be withdrawn over time, and it also raised the required minimum distribution age from 70.5 to 72. That's the age that Americans are required to begin withdrawing money from their IRAs and employer-sponsored plans. The new version would adjust that age again. The new RMD age will be 73 beginning on January 1 of 2023 for people who turn 72 after December 31st of 2022 and age 73 before January 1 of 2030. The RMD age will be 74 by the year 2030 and 75 starting in 2033. There's also an increase in the amount you can save in retirement accounts after reaching a certain age. Right now, if you have a 401k at work, you're allowed to contribute $20,500 annually to that plan. In the year you turn 50, you're allowed to contribute an additional $6,500 as a catch-up contribution. Well, the new bill would increase the catch-up to $10,000 at age 62, 63, and 64, but not age 65. Complicated enough, right? The catch-up for simpler IRAs would go from $3,000 to $5,000, and both would be indexed for inflation over time. The current $1,000 catch-up for IRAs would also be indexed for inflation. But there is another new wrinkle to those catch-up contributions. Under current law, the catch-up contributions can be made on either a pre-tax or Roth basis. This bill would require all catch-up contributions to be made on a Roth basis. The bill also expands the Roth option to simple IRAs and allows employers to match contributions with Roth dollars. The bill would also make contributing to an employer plan automatic. It would require 401k and 403b plans to automatically enroll participants upon becoming eligible. Employees may opt out if they choose. The automatic enrollment would be at least 3% of employee pay, but no more than 10%. The amount would also automatically increase over time. Well, the bottom line, as you can tell, retirement rules are always changing, and if this bill passes, they are getting way more complicated. Working with a financial advisor who is staying on top of the ever-changing retirement landscape for you can help you maximize your opportunities and not make a mistake. Thanks for listening.